What's up guys, Andreas from BidX here, and in this video I will show you how to create and assign focus types, for instance for branded and competitor ad groups. With the Pro features, which are available from the Professional plan on, you can create and assign focuses to the respective rows. This way, strategic campaigns can be arranged as well as separately automated. In addition, strategic campaigns can be created via the tool, which are then also directly linked in the corresponding row. Suggested is, for example, the focus generic for ad groups with generic keywords, as well as protect for ad groups with the own brand name as a keyword or the own ASINs to protect the corresponding advertising slots from advertising measures of your competitors. An individual focus can also be created manually. Simply click on the drop-down menu and select New Focus. In this case, we create a focus Top Keywords to allow separate ad groups with the most relevant keywords. To manage the focuses, you can use the settings in the upper right corner. Another Pro function in this section is Cleanup. If this function is set to on, it will check if the corresponding ad groups contain only one match type. For example, if there is a mixed ad group with broad and exact keywords, the Cleanup function will move the keywords accordingly, so there is only one match type per ad group. Furthermore, the corresponding negative keywords are checked. If, for example, there is an exact ad group and a broad ad group, it is checked whether all exact keywords are excluded negatively in the broad ad group. If this is not the case, Cleanup will take care of it. I hope you liked this video. If you have any further questions about this topic, please don't hesitate to contact us. If you are logged into your BidX account, use the chat on the bottom right or simply send us a mail to hello@bidx.xyz.